Hi my friends, today we model this part and this is the drawing. We start by creating the main volume by using this contour and this extrusion. You see here radius 45, 20, 110, 10, radius 5, and 56. Let's get started. New, standard millimeters IPT, new sketch. On this plane, X to the right, we rotate the cube and we draw some lines. Line, keep press the left button, arc. Back to here and constraints. This point over this point equal these two, radius 45 and 20. We continue with other lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also equal are these two, the same horizontal between these two. This is 71. This angle is 110. This is 10. And one dimension needed is this distance of 56. Finish sketch. Extrude 45. Okay, we have the first volume. We continue with this cylindrical feature. Then the other cylindrical feature, dimensions are 60 on the depth of 26, then 35. We take care of this 7 millimeters. Let's do this. We use the plane XY for a new sketch. F7, we draw a line to here, left, up, left, up, and back to the start. This is center line. It is not aligned with a center point, but we can make it to be. Dimensions 60, 35, we project this line to make coincident this line with this point. Another dimension is 26, and the last is 7. Finish sketch, revolve, cut, OK. We continue with this cut. It is 40 and the distance is 25 from the bottom. We use this plane, F7, then a rectangle with the second dimension of 40. Then we place on the same horizontal, because Y is vertical, this with this, and we project this line, collinear these two, and the dimension of 25 from this line to the center line. 25. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction with cut all the way through the part. Another cut is this one, 20 with 32 through the part. We use again XY plane, F7. We project this line and we draw a rectangle. The depth is 32. Tab 32. And the width, tab, again, is 20. And we place on the same vertical this midpoint with the center point. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical with cut all the way through the part. Another feature is this, or this. Dimensions, radius 10, dimension of 20. This plane for a new sketch, F7, and we draw lines, this line, arcs, this arc, up, back to the start. Z is vertical, we select Z. This point with the center point on the same vertical. Dimension 20. And this distance is 10. We project this small line to be collinear with this. Finish sketch, extrude with cut the other direction all the way. Okay. Next is this hole of metric 8, depth 12 and 10, placement is 13. We also place this threaded hole metric 24. This face for a new sketch, point on the same horizontal, this time X is horizontal, with the center point, distance of 13 to this end line, finish sketch, hole, threaded, isometric profile, 8 not 10, and we place this is the end, distance not full depth, yes, this small distance is 10, this is 12. Okay, you see here this hole. The other hole is placed on this face with this center, full depth, metric 24 through the part. Okay, here is the texture. This is not real, you know this. We continue with these holes. You see here, this is threaded and this is not threaded. And the data is here. 32 from the bottom, and metric 8 is this length, and the other is not with thread. You see here the same, yes, threaded, not threaded. The angle is 34 degrees. We create a new plane based on two entities from origin. One is this and the other is this y-axis. Now we have possibility to rotate this. We place here our angle 34, not 32. Okay, we use this new plane to create a new sketch. F7, we draw a line, a horizontal line through the part at a distance of 32. This is 32. Not important these two ends. Why? Because we use this to create an axis. We also apply the tool point to be on that axis and on this face. Then we apply hole metric 8, not full depth, but starting from here we have to select this and this. The arrow is to the left, we change it to the right. The distance of threaded hole is on the distance of 45, half of this cylinder. This dimension is in the drawing. We use it to make a threaded hole to the axis and not threaded to the rest. Okay. Now we hide the plane. I keep press the shift button or key on the keyboard to select all these three entities, features. I apply visibility and I have to hide also the axis. Now we can see that this is threaded and this is not threaded. We have to place this hole and the other one symmetrical. We created this one and now we go to create this one. We apply mirror of the last feature about this plane. And now you see here the other hole. Okay. The last feature is this fillet, radius 5 to both sides. We select this corner and we apply fillet of 5. You see, we cannot create this right now. To solve this problem, we go up with this before placing that holes. Now we select this with 5 millimeters for the fillet. Okay. Then we place this to the end. Move EOP to end. And now we have this hole, and they are placed in the right position. Now we can try to see what is the volume. Our properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is just the same. We don't care which of them is okay, because they are equal. The material of this part is steel carbon. The view is default lights. Now we don't have any difference between these two. Only the light is different. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.